Alright, good morning guys. Walking to the Enterprise. So I need to pick up my car and then I need to go back and load up my stuff. The fact that I literally have to drive 4.5 hours today. Scary. What if I get in an accident? Anyways, yeah, we're kicking it to the Enterprise. It's a little bit windy today. It's a good 40 degrees outside. So, yeah. Yo, I got a nice car. Okay. How do I change? Oh, it's like this stuff. Jesus. Having a new car every time is interesting. Okay, how do I? Oh, Bluetooth audio. Great. I'd be lying to you if I said I knew how to work this car. It's a nice car, but like, I kind of don't know how to park this thing. They have like switches and stuff over here as the toggle, so. But the best thing is that it's got maps on it for me, so that's nice. I don't know. I need to swing by my apartment though to get my stuff out of the apartment. Oh my god. I'm stressed. I am stressed. Also, this is only at half tank. So I gotta be stopping soon. What is this car doing? Oh my god, I can't see out my mirrors. I probably should have. Damn. Okay, let me get my straight in order. All right, I just got my stuff in the back. I swear I don't know how to work this car. Okay. I'm trying to figure out like what kind of charger that this car needs for my phone, and I think it just takes my regular one, which is good because I don't have my other one with me. I'm going all the way to Massachusetts, 4 hours and 35 minutes with tolls. All right, well, I mean, here goes nothing though, you know? Like, is what it is.
Feeling, and you can't control the way that you feel. So, stop with
you guys. I saw this city, I saw New York. Oh my gosh, I don't know what it is about New York that I love so dearly. I don't know, but every time I see it, I just get so inspired because I'm like, oh my god, you know, that's where dreams are built, made, and that's where you're like, you know, making it or you're broke, you know? I don't know what it is about New York City and the whole idea and the facade and the emphasis that I put. Probably because like I watch so many movies and they're like, oh yeah, New York's the best city to go to. You know, that's where dreams are made. You know, you got Home Alone, all that kind of stuff. Like, it's just, I feel like society puts in this brain of yours that, you know, you need to live in the big city. You need to do your, you know, this, that, and the other, and do your dreams. But here's the thing, for artists and people who have dreams, society system is not built for them. Like, the system is built for banking, you know, a 9-to-5, perfect little square away, you know, little job that you get tired of when you do the same thing every single day. Like, society system's set up for that. And like, I don't know, for us artists who really want to, you know, take off and do it, it's just like, it's harder for us to do that dream because it's so hard to make art these days. And I don't know, it's just interesting. But whenever I look at that city right over there, that's what I think of. I just think of like all the opportunity, all of the, you know, everything. And I'm also sitting here in New York traffic, trying not to run into nobody. Okay, so I made it. It's 1 o'clock right now. I'm gonna get some lunch and then I'm gonna probably get some snacks. So I need to look up places around here to eat. Yep. In Massachusetts. And I can tell because people suck at driving here. I think I'm going to go in the mall and try to find some food because I have a little bit of time to kill, so, and I'm hungry. Because the hotel doesn't have breakfast, so I have to go out and buy my own. Okay, so I'm at the mall trying to find the food court with the Chinese food. So this is one of them nice malls. We got Louis. Okay. I'm just trying to find the food court. I got to go upstairs. Okay, they got Louis. Bro, I kind of just want to live though. After I eat. All this expensive stuff made me wanna. This is so expensive. It's an expensive mall. But Alright, so now I'm just kind of waiting in my car. I don't know, I don't really have anything else to do. It's gonna take me till then to get there, so it's not that far away, but honestly I should probably get there sooner than later. The only thing I have to do today is set up, so I have like literally the whole night to set up, ask questions, and make sure everything's working for tomorrow. Yeah.
There's a little space. Let's go back up.
That's fine. We have. I bought
Gonna be 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, or
1, 2, 3.
got it. Cool. Perfect. Yes.
Happy with anything?
Oh, fun.
I'm happy with anything.
Not really. I'm just trying to get it set up so we can get on the clock. So yeah. Okay. Of course. Yes. For streaming and one's for like, yeah. So this is interesting. Okay, so setup went well. A few hiccups, like my computer would not turn on, so I had to troubleshoot that. Audio wasn't working. I just had to change the setting, and now everything is working. It's fine. Did a couple tests, and now I'm about to eat a bagel. It's my dinner. Yeah, because I'm starving and stress eats at me, so we're gonna go get a bagel. This is a hotel, man. I got the 8 ball. Each room is like decorated. I got the 8 ball. Yeah. All right. Boom. Bathroom. Ooh, I like the pop art. Wait, I like that pop art. Here I am. I only packed a backpack full of clothes. Don't even have jammies. Oh, the art, killing. Okay, little king bed. Let me just dump all my stuff down here. Little king bed. All right, now I gotta figure out this light situation here. Let's see. Oh, okay. We just gotta pull it in. Okay, just a little. Ooh, I like that photo. Very nice. Okay, well, this is the hotel I'm in. This is the hotel I'm in. Well, this is cool. You know, coffee. My bag is so heavy, mostly because it's got laptops in it, but you know. Got a little microwave and a little mini fridge. Coffee for the morning, and there's enough. This is great. Ugh. Okay, so far so good. Everything is chill. So far. I'm about to call Haley and be like, look at my room. Anyways, yeah, I'm exhausted. That's all I gotta say about that.